Hello, and thank you for buying this product. I'm going to show you how this product works. So when you download it and get it off of Teachers Pay Teachers, you'll see this thank you page and then the how-to page. You're going to go to the how-to page and copy this link. So you'll copy the link, and all this that I'm saying will be linked here for your tutorial video. So to learn how to do it, of course, first you would click on the tutorial video, and it will take you through the steps that I'm about to do. So you would click on the tutorial video, and you will see that you need to copy this link. So you would copy the link in step 2, and then paste it and go and press enter. You'll see this screen that says copy. You'll make a copy. Okay, so once the copy is made, you have these tabs at the bottom. You can change them to your students' names, so you know which ones you're looking at. But for here, you just click on the form that you want to look at. So let's say you want to look at student 3. You'll click on that, and all of student 3's information will be here. And that is the only student that will show up. So after you click on the form that you want to, which would be the student that you're looking at, you will go to Form at the top right here, and then you will go to Live Form. So here's where you would type in all your information. So the student name, the date, whatever current level the student is, what you're progress monitoring on, the skill that you're using for your interventions to progress monitor, any comments, and then next steps, and then you press submit. And so once you press submit, it will show up as a running record here.